Yeah, so we've got a four-lane highway behind us, so it's really, really busy with trucks and cars, and so you kind of hear it all times of the night. It's just constant noise.
So today we actually have four windows that we're installing on this home here. Their main concern is a highway back here that's causing a lot of traffic noise for them. They have three young kids, so naturally this is their master bedroom, and they want to keep all the sound out that they possibly can.
They've done a great job. It's a ton quieter. I can actually sleep now, and team members were super professional and did a great job.
When I moved into this house, I loved everything about it except one thing. My house is located right on top of the interstate. Let me show you. Just behind that wall is a major interstate highway here in Atlanta. And the noise that came in here at night, it was disturbing my sleep. I was going to sleep and then I would hear a truck or a motorcycle or something and I could not sleep. And it was to the point that I was willing to sell this house. Despite the fact that I love my neighbors, I'm close to my job, walking distance from restaurants, I was about to let that highway run me out of my home. But a friend told me I should try soundproofing my windows. And so I called Soundproof Atlanta and we soundproofed the 15 windows in this room, because sound was coming into this room from 15 different places. And now, I love everything about my house. I sleep like a baby, and I know that were it not for these windows, I would have had to move. Before I put these soundproof windows in, I felt like at night that I was in a sleeping bag in the middle of the highway. The noise, it was just too much. But then once I got the windows put in, let me show you the difference. It's amazing.